Said that? George, I'm doing a vlog right now. Yeah. Anyway, just gonna bring it down a bit. I'm going to vlog. Yes, I'm vlogging. What you gonna do about it, friend? I'm vlogging. Yes, that's what I thought. Pimpin'. Anyway, God, these are my old vlogs. God damn it. Anyway, vlog. Yes, I was gonna do the cinnamon challenge. I'm terribly sorry, but I'm not tonight. Actually, I don't know. Wait, I think I'm out of cinnamon, but I'm just gonna check. Okay, this is all we have. Don't complain at me, because that's all we have. That's what I'm doing. That's all we have. Okay. Just gonna prepare this for you guys. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, you see this? I don't know if you can. I don't really want to tilt it. Wait. Oh crap. God damn it. There we are. Yeah, that's all we have. Look, it's like all gone out of here now. It's like there's none in there that won't come out. But yeah, just gonna place it there. I'm equipping my drink because I know I'll need it. I'm not stupid. I'm like, oh, it's the cinnamon challenge. I know what it is. I probably will spit it out. Chances I will, and I will suffer for a few minutes, and you'll just see that it's disgusting. If you haven't tried it, then you know. Basically, cinnamon, it's not that bad. It's just like it gets caught in your throat basically, and you're like all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. The cinnamon challenge. Hopefully, I'll do it like with a ladle, like that woman did one day. But you know, yeah. Dum 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 dum. Oh. Oh, well, oh crap, it's going over the place. Oh man, wait, Jesus. I mean, it probably isn't the best one you see on YouTube, but man, it went all over the place. Look, oh, it's all on my iPod. Don't know if you see that. It's all on telly and on yeah, it's everywhere. It's on my Xbox as well. Wait, I'm gonna have to clean you. Don't, hush little baby, don't you cry. Ugh. It's clean now. Man, oh, it's on my FIFA 13. It's everywhere. God damn it, it's on FIFA 11. Who cares about FIFA 11? God damn it, right. Bricks! Anyway, yeah, that's disgusting. I hate... Oh, man! Wait. Oh. Cinnamon's rank. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean off my telly and everything. So, yeah. That's that. That was requested by someone, so I did it. Oh, man. Any other challenges, stupid things, I'll probably do them to a certain extent. Because I want to keep my life and any bones in my body, but yeah, wait. Okay, so that was that. I'm gonna put you there now. Ooh, it's none on there, right? That was that. Oh, cinnamon challenge, that's done. Over with. Cool beans, but yeah. Oh, pencil time. Our giveaway is going well at the moment. We have like, I'm not telling you how many, but we have a few entries, which is cool. Keep them coming. Yeah, just to like confirm it again, it's on Boxing Day. The winner's revealed. It will be revealed on one of my vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have any requests for me to do stupid things on my vlogs, I'll do them. Yeah. But anyway, that's it.